Aloha friends, this is Tutu Sainz here, enjoying some sunshine on a beautiful morning at Aloha Food Forest. And I want to talk to you today about free shampoo and body care from Earth. So you can create your own healthy, nutrient-dense skin care and hair care by boiling products from a garden like rosemary, lemon, and I have a lot of experience doing this. I've been using my own products on my body now for like 5 years. So it's really fun to do. It's very doable. It's if you can boil a pot of water and stick some garden ingredients into that pot of water, boil it, steep it, boil it, steep it, you can make this hair care blend. So I made this movie a long time ago to show how fun it is to like go pick different things from the garden and put them in the pot for boiling for the hair care. And I think that when you boil all those products together, all those essential oils and nutrients come out into the hair care blend. And then we add salt, sea salt or Epsom salt if you want. And if you want to add a little extra fragrance, you can, but I usually find it pleasant. It's a mild and pleasant fragrance. It's not like a super intense shampoo fragrance that you're used to buying from the store, but it's pleasant. So I wanted to share this movie with you, and I hope you'll take a look at it. It's done kind of lighthearted and fun, but it has a big message that you can create your own hair and body care products from things that you can pick around you in a garden. So that's the message, and I believe it's honestly a very healthy choice for not only our own bodies, but also for our planet, which is my biggest mission in life, is to honor our beautiful, abundant, natural planet, you know, that has infinite abundance. So thank you for checking this out, and let me know if you have any questions or comments about how you can create body care. But check out this little video. Okay, thanks. Aloha.